Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you in the tutorial how to manage your Google account. So first thing you have to do is just go open the Google Chrome, and after that you just need to go this plus button, and when you are in this home page you just need to go click this symbols here. This is a profile of the account that you use for logging into the Google. Just need to click it, and now you already have an access into your account. Just need to go click this account, and you need to choose and decide which account that you want to set to. For example, I would like to do it this, and go click manage your account. Now you have an access to manage all of the account from the home section. Let's explore it. You just need to read all of the things here. But if what you're looking for is not here, okay, let's jump into the personal info. In this personal info, you will have a basic information such as your profile pictures, name, birthday, and gender. You can also have a contact info related to your Google account here. So if you want to change your profile, you just need to go click this button, and after that you will need to wait until this menu is pop up, and go click add profile picture to change this letter into your picture. Okay, let's explore more. Let's scroll down, and we now find addresses. You can also set your home address, work address, and many more. You can also change the password that you use in a personal info. You can also change the language that you use for your Google account. Okay, and data privacy. In the data privacy, you just need to scroll down, and you can also control it and manage everything here. You can also adjusting who can see your data. You can also have an access to content that you save from Google service. You can also delete or downloading the data that you already use from this account. If you want to delete this account, sure, you can do that by go click this delete your account. Security. And this security is more just like a how to sign in Google and all of the instructions. And so yeah, that's the way how to manage your account. It's just depending upon what you need, but the things that I want to highlight to you here is that this is the way how to manage your account. So for the rest of the things of it, you just need to follow depending what you need and what you're looking for. So hopefully this video is get you so well, guys. Here, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.